I'm Nick Cohen, I'm a level 4 sports massage therapist. I'm a serving soldier in the British Army, and for the last 3 years I've been helping teams within the army such as rugby, football, basketball, netball, hockey, CrossFit, all to perform at their best and overcome injuries, prevent injuries and do their rehab. What I want to talk about today is lower back issues. Quite a few people get these lower back issues, and one of the causes can be from the quads. The quads attached to the hips and the knee, the patella. And if it's tight, it can pull you forwards, creating this tightness, this stiffness on your back. Now, as a massage therapist, I would massage the quad, and then I'll do something called soft tissue release. A poor man's massage, shall we say. I can teach you how to do that in this lesson with a foam roller, doing it yourself. So what you want to do is find a foam roller. This can be quite painful, so I'm just going to lay on the foam roller above your knee and just start moving up and down, warming up your quad muscles. So we're just working on the rec fem at the moment. If I want to turn my foot inwards, I can work on the vastus lateralis. And we're just warming it up, moving the foot around, moving up and down. When you find a tight spot, what you can then do, you can either stay on your hands or go down on your elbows. But just find a tight spot and just hover over it for about 20 seconds. Just going to cut this short for the video. So once you've done that, start rolling again till you find another tight spot. And then just hover over that tight spot again for another 10 or 20 seconds. Back into movement, going all the way to the top. What you can do is turn the foot inwards. So we're just doing the outside of the vastus lateralis. And again, when you find a tight spot, just stop on it for a moment. And keep going. So if I was going to do soft tissue release with a massage, we can reenact that on the foam roller itself. So again, we're going to this position and just roll down the foam roller, but then you can stop above the knee, and we're going to shorten the quad muscle. Just going to hover there for a second, then we're going to stretch the quad muscle by lifting our foot up behind us. And this can be quite painful. Do that 2 or 3 times. And what this is doing is pinching the fascia and stretching the muscle underneath it, creating better freedom of movement. Let's move down a little bit further and repeat. So we're pinching that fascia in one place and stretching the muscle underneath it. And we're going to do this all the way up. And up a bit further. And then we're just going to roll it out. Next thing we're going to do is some myofascial reliefs. So we're just going to find that spot, lift the leg up behind you, and then push all the way to the top. And that is releasing the fascia off the muscle. We'll go a little bit higher and repeat. Lift the leg up, hold it there a second, and then roll all the way to the top. This can be quite painful, but stretching that muscle out. A little bit higher, lift the leg, and repeat. And then we can do it once more, and stretch it up. And then just roll it out. and you can finish with a couple stretches. So just lay on your front, take the front of your foot and just pull it. There's something called METS, muscle energy technique, where we can stretch the muscle and we're just going to hold it for 10 seconds. And then we're going to push 30% pressure against our foot for another 10 seconds. Let's do that. Just pushing 30% against my hand for 10 seconds and release. Release it for 10 seconds, feeling that stretch. Now another 10 seconds of 30%. And what this is doing is getting blood flow into the area, all that energy. And then when I release, I should stretch further. 10 seconds. 10 seconds of 30%. And release. And just hold that for another 20 or 30 seconds. And then you would repeat that on the other leg. This is loosening off your quads, your rec fem, releasing the soft tissue, which is the fascia, which is covering your muscle, and getting some blood flow into the area. This in turn will loosen off your lower back. Other causes for lower back issue, lower back itself, glutes and hamstrings, but this was just a quad video today. Thank you.